You know the other video about Spanish? It was kind of short, but I'll be teaching you today. I have this Spanish book, and I'm going to say in Spanish and English. So in Spanish, it says, "Q significant." It means in English, what does that mean? So it says, the second one says, "Como es escribe?" And it means in English, how do you write, or you could say spell it. So how to say in Spanish, I don't know, you say no sé. And how to say pardon and sorry in Spanish is perdón. It's like it says how to spell pardon in Spanish, a question mark upside down, and it's a P, capital letter ERDON, and then question mark on the top way, not the upside down way, but just how it is, and then it has a little comma on top of the O. So how to say please in Spanish is por favor, and it means please. So how to say thank you is gracias in Spanish. Well, it's really easy. So how to say lo siento, how to say I'm sorry is lo siento. But guys, don't worry if you don't have diary like this, because basically you could go on Chrome or Google to find out more about Spanish, or you could just if you don't know one thing, then you could find it in Chrome or Google. It'll be fun and you'll be very surprised about it. Bye, have a fun day.